Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can block ad on Android phone. Okay, for your information, I'm using Samsung Galaxy phone. So here I'm gonna show you how to block ad on Samsung internet browser. If you're not Samsung users, I guess the step will be a little bit different, but basically it will be similar. Okay guys, let's get into it. First of all, I'm going to open my Samsung internet browser. This one, I'm going to click on it. Then we can click on this three lines button. Okay, and we just need to click on ad blockers. And if we want to block ad on our browser, we just need to download one of the ad blockers right here. I mean ad blockers. You can download one of them, and after you have downloaded the ad blockers, you can use it. You have to activate it, and here I have downloaded these ad blockers. Then click on the toggle button to activate it. Okay, and now the ad blockers has been activated, and all of the ads on my Samsung internet will be blocked. Alright guys, and that's how we can block ad on Android phone, especially on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.